In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this sort of creative modern poster design in Photoshop. So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, we'll go to the open options and we have that stock image for our design, and we'll make it the modern design with this image. And after that, press Ctrl J for the copy of this image, and then going to the object selection tool, select all the stubs, meaning this curve, and then going to the select and mask options. In this portion, we'll make some smooth and edge refining and etc. After that, and going to the drop down menu and going to the new layer with the layer mask and hit OK. And after that, we got the image only without the background. Now our photo is the separate from the background. That's fine. Going to this layer and going to the text tool, select once over there, and then you can write down your text over there. So press Ctrl or Command T, make it bigger. That's fine. And for the merge with the background, right press and make it multiply. It will help you to merge the text with the background and it will make sense to the design. That's fine. And now selecting the upper side of the cutting image, and after that going to the filter and then going to the blur gallery and path blur. So in this path blur, you have to change the direction into this and like that. And after that, just deselect these options, make this one like that, and speed should be like this, and then taper, it will be like that. And after that, hit OK. After processing that, your design will be ready. So in this portion, we are getting some blurry options or effect over there. Don't worry about that. Mask it out and going to the brush tool, change the brush like the flow and the opacity a little bit up down, and right press. You can change up the brush like this, the hard brush, and make the brush size bigger by pressing third bracket opening, and you can reduce that portion. So this portion should be like that. Now again going to the soft brush, and after that you have to brush over there. You will get the clear image or the design according to like that. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And until the next video, Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.